My name is Workneh. I am associated with Texas Agri-Life Research in Amarillo. My role in this is to look at epidemiology of zebra chip. On the SCRI project, our primary objective is to identify factors that contribute to the development of zebra chip over time in the space. So what are the factors that increase the disease, or what are the factors that influence the disease not to occur? So that is basically what our main objective of this project. So to this effect, we have installed weather stations from South Texas to Nebraska at different locations. We just put a baseline in there for our next research, so that we can relate weather, the insect and the disease together and develop some kind of a predictive model. So, like for example, what does the cool weather temperature do, cold weather temperature in South Texas do to the zebra chip all around the potato growing regions? Because the insect survives in South Texas, and does the pathogen get affected by cold weather down? And then what does it relate to the northern areas of potato growing regions? That is what we are looking at. So we also did some growth chamber work to look at different temperatures, so we can later on put all these together and and relate this to zebra chip. And what we found out was that there is some trend for this first year study we did. There is some trend as you go from south to north, as zebra chip declines. It is higher in the South Texas this year and lower in the northern states like Nebraska and Dalhart area. It is very low, which means that it is declining as you go north. This is one thing that we want to look at it. So if it is continues like that, since potatoes are planted in a succession from south to north, so the northern producers can look at South Texas and anticipate how much zebra chips you will get in future. And the other issue is, can we predict from the cold weather in South Texas what is gonna be in the spring? So if we see winter temperatures in South Texas, high or low, can we relate that to the spring disease? So this is model development. So far, there is this, as this is a new disease, we don't know any factor that affects this disease. So basically, that's what we are trying to achieve, and that's what we are doing. Good enough, isn't it?